Hi everyone. Today in this video we will talk about tables. If you want to create table on the HTML page, how you can do it, we will talk about this. Okay. So first of all, this is my structure. Now in this title tag, I am writing tables only. In this body, you have to start table tag. Table, then border equal to any number between 1 to 15. Highest the number, bigger the thickness of the border. Your table is comprised of two things, that is rows and columns. So for every row, we have to use this tr tag. To start any new row, we have to use this tr, table row tag. For every cell, we have to use this td. For every row, we have to start this tr. For every cell, we have to use TD. TD stands for table data. Here you can write anything. I am just writing the number 1. Then you have to finish the cell. So you have to close this TD like this. Okay. Then again for second new cell, you have to write TD. Then anything you want to write. Then again TD close. Now suppose I want to insert only 2 cells in the first row horizontally. So here I have to close tr to finish the first row, first line. Now again if I want to start new line, again I have to write tr. Okay. Then again td for new cell. Here I am writing 3. Here td close. Then here again new td for new cell, number and td close. Now if I want to finish this row, again tr close. If I write this code, I am making a table with 2 into 2. You can say 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay. Now save it and let's see what happens. Click on file, save. You can give any name. I am giving table.html. Okay. And I am saving it on desktop. Now minimize it. Here you can see this table. Double click on it. This is your table. Now you can see it is coming very small in size, means there is no space between this. So you can use this here. width width equal to, suppose I want 40% of total screen size, means from this side to this side. This is 100%. We are assuming it is 100%. So I want 40% of this. So it will come till here. Okay. Let's see. File, save, and this one, press the refresh key or F5. Now look. Okay. This is the way by which you can use your table tag. This is first tr, second tr. TD first, TD second, TD third, TD fourth. You can say for every new line, you have to use tr. For every cell, you have to use td tag. Now, next thing, look, they are coming at the corners. This 1, 2, 3, 4, they are coming on the corner. So you can use the align tag. Here you can write tr align equal to center. Okay. Save and refresh. Okay. Now look, I have applied the align only in this first tr. So if you write or if you apply anything on this, it will be applied to these automatically. Okay. So you can see only 1 and 2 is shifted, 3 and 4 are at its place only. So if you want to do this, again you have to use this Control C space Control V. Now save it and F5. Okay. This is the way by which you can move your data left, center, right. Okay. This is the way by which you can do it. Next thing is, if you want to apply background color, so that is same body bg color equal to whatever color you want to apply. Save it. Here F5. Okay. Next, if you say we want to apply background color in these cells, here, here. In these cells also I want to apply color. So you can do it by two ways. First one is you can do it here only. BG color equal to, suppose I wanted pink. So if I do this, if I write this BG color here in this TR line, so it will be applied to both the cells. Okay, let's see, file, save, here, F5. Now you can see in these first and second cell, the BG color is applied. As I have written this BG color in this TR, if you say we want different colors in this one and this one, in this cell I want different color, in this cell I want different background color, so you have to write this BG color equal to, suppose I want green, double comma close, and in this I want BG color equal to and yellow. Okay, now save it and F5. Now you can see here we have different colors. Okay, so keep this thing in mind. If you want same color in all the cells, so you have to write this in this TR line. And if you want different colors, you have to use this one. I'm changing the border size. Earlier it was 1, I'm making it 7. Okay, again Control S, save and F5. Look, color is changed. Okay, in this you can use border color also. Here you can write color equal to color name. Try it. So this is the way by which you can create table. Okay, so try this by your own. This is important topic. In our next video we will move to the second part of this. Table tag is not finished. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.